Hello, I'm Rex Childhouse, and because things on the internet lose their date reference, this is Monday, April 18th, 2022. And I would normally be sitting on the couch wearing one of my numerous Naval Aviator shirts with my wings, my call sign on it. This video is going to be kind of short, and I want to get it on the internet because a couple of people want to see it, so I didn't set it up that way. Sorry, maybe next time. I've got a couple of videos that I need to do. So in August of 2021, I took a course with San Diego Fine Woodworkers and Travis, their president at the time, about 3D printing. Really loved it, got into it. After I got the printer together, showed Thingiverse.com to my wife, and my wife went ballistic on it and has been downloading things ever since. Incidentally, if you're curious, this photo, I'm standing on one of the numerous types of naval airplanes I flew on and off Navy aircraft carriers. So my wife has been downloading things pretty consistently from Thingiverse and a few other sites. And the other day she found this one here, balloon-powered jet car with sweet rims by the Hans, or by the Hans. It's on Thingiverse.com as 16987 if you want to chase it. And print time on this thing is actually in two separate sections. And the body section took me about 5 hours and 19 minutes. And I custom did the wheels as well. And that was about 2 hours and 36 minutes. So the body that I made, and you'll see it in the video, is three colors, red, white, and blue. And the Pressa i3 Mark III S Plus printer can do that for you. You can help it out. You can change filaments as you go. And on the wheels, I did custom wheels as well. The rims, the spokes are silver, and the wheels are the rubber is black, and you'll see how it came out. So I printed this thing. It's close to 8 hours of print time. We got the balloon, we put the top on it like it's shown here in the photo, and we took it out, and we ran 2 test runs out in front of my workshop. The first one didn't sweep off the patio area, the work area, and it ran. Second one, we swept off the patio area and ran. This is a lot of fun. Our granddaughter, Princess Lily, being a Candylander, is going to have a gas with this one. Wish there was a way to inflate the balloon without having to take it off the car each time, but here is the videos. Okay, anytime.
It's kind of cute.
So this is the body. As I said, with the Prusa printer, you can change filaments during the print. So printed it in red, white, and blue, the body in red, white, and blue for fun. And this is with the balloon attached and the wheels attached. To click over to another photo, little different angle, you can see how the spokes using multiple color prints. So my wife said she doesn't want to paint the entire tires black like they would be. She wants to leave them silver because they look like fun. That's fine. So we're going to stay that way, leave it that way. This one here, the balloon's removed, so you can see how it's got the chimney or the inlet tube for the pressure to come down. And on the back of the car you have the little blowhole that makes this thing go. This thing's just a lot of fun. Of the many things, I've got more than 100 downloads and builds on my homepage, childhouse.com, under 3D printing, and this has to be one of the more fun ones. You have to put this thing together. I used a very small drill bit to ream out the axle holes. Used a brad, 3/4 inch brad, long 3/4 inch long brad to act as the axles. There's some good assembly instructions on this thing here. This car is just fun. I had a ball making it. I had a ball running it, and I think the Hans who created it did a good job. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.